Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another some important questions in chapter controlling. Question number 11th, when the deviation between the actual performance and the planned performance are within a limit, a limited corrective action is required, B, no corrective action is required, C, major corrective action is required, D, none of the above. The right answer option B, no corrective action is required. Now question number 12. In a shoes making manufacture unit of standard output set for a workers in 7 unit per days. Dinesh produced 5 unit in a one day. In the given case, the value of deviation is A minus 2 plus 2, C 12, D none of these. The answer is option A, that is minus 2. Now question number 13. Need for the controlling function is felt. Options are A, business organization, B, political organization, C, social organization, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Now question number 14. Sugandha Limited is a small scale business unit manufacturing incense. The standard output of workers engaged in packaging of increasing cones in 100 unit in one day. But it is noticed that all the workers are able to perform at much higher level as compared to the standard set. Therefore, supervisor decide to revise the standards and identify the points of importance of controlling being highlighted in the above case. The options are A, controlling help in judging accuracy of standard, B, it ensure efficient use of resources, C, it help in improving employee motivation, D, it facilitate coordination in action. The answer is option A, that is controlling help in judging accuracy of standard. Now question number 15. Reducing the workers' absentees in a factory by 10% is example of A, quantitative standard, B, qualitative standard, C, deviation, D, none of the above. The answer is option A, quantitative standard. Now question number 16. Yes, run a logistic company. The two in charge of each trip in the company are the expected to submit a report to the event manager on the completion of every trip. The identify the step in the controlling process being described in the above line. Options are A, setting of standard, B, measurement of actual performance, take corrective action, D, analyze and deviation. The right answer is option B, measurement of actual performance. Now next question. In marketing firm, the financial manager pay more than attention towards an increase of the 3% in marketing cost as compared to the 15% increase in the courier expenses. Identify the concept being used by the manager. Options are A, management by expenses, B, critical point control, C, corrective action, D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, that is critical point control. Now next question. In order to ensure that the classroom teaching is effective, Mrs. Anju Kapoor, the principal of the Golden Public School, carries out the classroom teaching observation herself and identify the step involved in controlling process being described in above line. Options are A, setting of standard, B, measurement of actual performance, C, taking corrective action, D, analyzing the deviation. The right answer is option B, that is measurement of actual performance. Now some fill in the blanks question. Dash is the process of ensuring that event conform to plan. The answer is controlling is the process of ensuring that event conform to plan. Next, controlling function bring back to the management cycle back to the that functions. The right answer is planning. Next, the concept of dash is based on the belief that if you try to control everything, you may have end up controlling nothing. Right answer, management by expansions. Next question, control is not one time activity. This statement highlighted that the controlling is that process. Continuous. Dash is the prerequisite of controlling. The answer is planning. Next, in the controlling process, the deviation between the actual and desired result relevant in the step. The answer is comparing actual performance with standard.